All right. Well, I came here today. I found this chandelier that was hanging here like this. And look at the floor. I already take it and put it in the bag. It was just on the floor. Look at this. All broken. I'm not sure what happened, but I'm thinking it might have been the screw that was holding it in the middle there that got loose. So I have to change it. Oh man. I went to Home Depot. I purchased this bad boy right here. I think it's gonna be very elegant. So let me install it and see what it would look like. The most important thing to remember whenever you're working with anything that has to do with electricity, make sure there's no power on that side of the house, or even turn the power all the way off. That way you know there's no power in the house at all. And here it is. I personally think it looks very, very good. Now, I prefer the older one, but this one right here looks pretty good. And that'll be it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. Peace out. See you on the next video.